In the world of natural remedies, cloves aren't just flavorful additions to your favorite dishes, they pack a powerful medicinal punch too. Celebrated for centuries in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine, cloves offer a treasure trove of health benefits when you make them a part of your daily routine, like chewing just one clove a day. Let's explore why this easy habit could transform your health for the better. 1. Digestive health. Cloves are known to stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, aiding in better digestion and reducing issues like indigestion and bloating. Their carminative properties also help in relieving flatulence, promoting overall digestive comfort. 2. Oral care. One of the most popular uses of cloves is for oral health. Cloves exhibit strong antibacterial properties, making them effective against oral pathogens. Chewing cloves can freshen breath, combat dental plaque, and even alleviate toothaches temporarily. 3. Anti-inflammatory benefits. Eugenol also functions as a natural anti-inflammatory agent. Regular consumption of cloves can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, potentially easing symptoms of arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. 4. Pain relief. Historically, cloves have been used as a natural analgesic. Chewing a clove can provide relief from toothaches and gum pain, offering a temporary numbing effect due to its eugenol content. 5. Immune system support. Cloves are packed with antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals and strengthen the immune system. Regular consumption may contribute to better defense against infections and diseases. 6. Blood sugar regulation. Research suggests that cloves may help regulate blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for individuals managing diabetes or insulin resistance. This effect is attributed to their ability to improve insulin sensitivity. 7. Skin benefits. Applied topically or consumed internally, cloves can help improve skin health by reducing acne and other skin inflammations. Embrace the power of cloves and experience the potential benefits they offer for your overall well-being.